What if the healthy blueberries you've been eating are secretly harming your vision? Yes, you heard that right. One common mistake millions of people make could increase their risk of vision loss. Stay tuned because this might save your eyesight. Let's uncover what makes these combinations so dangerous. 1. High-sugar foods, a recipe for disaster. When you combine blueberries with high-sugar foods like sweetened cereals, pastries, or processed desserts, you unknowingly harm your body. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that protect your eyes, but sugar overwhelms these benefits. High sugar levels spike your blood glucose, damaging the tiny blood vessels in your retina. Over time, this weakens your vision and increases the risk of serious eye problems. Studies show that consistently high blood sugar triggers oxidative stress and inflammation. These are leading causes of diabetic retinopathy and macular degeneration. Protect your eyes by avoiding this harmful combination and keeping sugar intake low. 2. Processed and refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates such as white bread, white rice, and baked goods are deceptively harmful when eaten with blueberries. These foods have a high glycemic index, meaning they quickly break down into sugar, causing a rapid spike in insulin. This sudden insulin surge triggers inflammation in your body, which negatively impacts your eye health over time. Even worse, the combination of refined carbs and blueberries can interfere with your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants vital for protecting your retina and maintaining clear vision. To safeguard your eyes, opt for whole grains or other low glycemic options instead. 3. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners may appear to be a safer alternative to sugar, but they come with hidden risks, especially when paired with blueberries. Blueberry smoothies or desserts sweetened with these substitutes can disrupt your gut health. Studies show that artificial sweeteners alter the balance of beneficial gut bacteria, which is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Your gut plays a crucial role in ensuring your eyes receive key antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E from blueberries. When gut health is compromised, these nutrients are not efficiently absorbed, leaving your eyes vulnerable to oxidative stress and vision problems. Stick to natural sweeteners or no sweeteners at all to fully benefit from blueberries. 4. High-fat processed foods. Pairing blueberries with high-fat processed foods like deep-fried snacks, fast food, or processed cheese does more harm than good. Unhealthy fats interfere with the absorption of antioxidants in blueberries, essentially blocking their ability to protect your body and eyes. This means the valuable nutrients in blueberries, like anthocyanins and vitamin C, are wasted. Furthermore, unhealthy fats promote inflammation in your body, including the delicate tissues of your eyes. Chronic inflammation damages retinal cells, contributing to vision problems such as macular degeneration and cataracts. For optimal health, avoid processed fats and pair blueberries with healthy options like nuts or seeds. 5. Dairy with additives. Not all dairy is a good companion for blueberries. While plain yogurt or milk can enhance the benefits of the superfood, dairy products with added sugars, artificial flavors, or thickeners pose a risk. These additives create oxidative stress in the body, negating the powerful antioxidant effects of blueberries. The sugars and chemicals in flavored yogurts or processed milk can spike inflammation, impacting your overall health and your eyes in particular. This makes it harder for your body to utilize the nutrients in blueberries, like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which are crucial for protecting your vision. Stick to plain, additive-free dairy for the best results. 6. Sugary beverages. Pairing blueberries with sugary beverages like soda, juice, or sweetened tea may seem harmless, but it's a recipe for trouble. These drinks are packed with empty calories and high amounts of refined sugar, which overwhelm your body's ability to handle oxidative stress. This stress directly contributes to cell damage in your eyes, including the retina. Over time, this combination increases the risk of vision-threatening conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Even natural juices can spike blood sugar levels due to their concentrated sugars. To protect your eyes and overall health, pair blueberries with water or unsweetened beverages instead. But how this affects vision? The wrong food combinations with blueberries don't just harm your overall health, they can have a direct and lasting impact on your vision. When your diet leads to oxidative stress, it damages the delicate cells in your retina and macula, the parts of your eye that allow you to see clearly and focus. Over time, this stress contributes to serious conditions like cataracts, macular degeneration, and even diabetic retinopathy. You may start noticing subtle signs, such as blurry vision, trouble focusing, or dark spots in your field of sight. These symptoms might feel minor at first, but they can worsen and become irreversible without intervention. The good news? These effects are preventable with smart dietary choices. Stay tuned, because in just a moment, we'll explore the best foods to pair with blueberries to enhance their benefits and protect your vision for years to come. To fully harness the vision-protecting power of blueberries, you need to pair them with the right foods. Healthy combinations not only maximize their benefits, but also ensure your body absorbs critical nutrients effectively. Here are some simple yet powerful pairings. Start your day with blueberries and oatmeal or Greek yogurt. The fiber and protein in these options stabilize blood sugar levels and help your body absorb antioxidants like anthocyanins. Enjoy a handful of almonds or walnuts with blueberries as a midday snack. These healthy fats boost the bioavailability of lutein and zeaxanthin, essential for retinal health. For lunch, try a refreshing spinach and blueberry salad. The leafy greens add vitamins A and C, further supporting your eye health. These combinations reduce inflammation and help combat oxidative stress, protecting your eyes from damage. By making these simple swaps, you can enjoy blueberries without any risk to your vision and even enhance their protective benefits. Now here are some simple yet effective tips to protect your eyes and enjoy the full benefits of blueberries. 1. Avoid sugar and processed cereals. Skip sugary toppings or cereals when eating blueberries. These can spike blood sugar levels and cancel out their eye-protecting antioxidants. 2. Stick to whole, unprocessed foods. Pair blueberries with natural, nutrient-rich options like oats, nuts, or plain yogurt. This keeps your diet balanced and supports eye health. 3. Limit high glycemic foods. Reduce your intake of foods like white bread, white rice, and sugary snacks. These can increase oxidative stress and harm your vision over time. 4. Choose healthy fats. Combine blueberries with foods like walnuts, almonds, or avocado. These fats enhance the absorption of antioxidants crucial for eye health. 5. Moderation matters. Even healthy foods can be harmful in excess. Stick to a moderate portion of blueberries daily to avoid overloading your system. By following these precautions, you can enjoy blueberries safely while protecting your vision for years to come. Simple adjustments like these can make all the difference in maintaining healthy eyes and overall well-being.